All right, thank you. So good afternoon, everyone. It's a pleasure to have all of you here between us, hybrid as well as all of you here. So today we have a very special guest between us who's gonna mentor you and take you even next step in the current program along with our current mentors. So to give a brief background about Mr. Mohan, we have Mr. Harit Mohan, who is the founder and CEO of Significant LLP in India and Significant LLC in Delaware, USA. Significant deals in the area of technology, IPR, that's patents, trademarks, and copyrights, and market research. As an IIT Madras 2008 postgrad, research and technology has always been close to his heart. He's also done course on entrepreneurship, launching an innovative business from University of Maryland College Park. He has given 12 years of his career solving problems and overcoming hurdles faced by research companies and institutes. He, with his company, has been a technology and IPR consultant to over 400 plus businesses globally spread across 15 countries. Mr. Mohan has delivered his TEDx talks in 2021 at Kanyakumari. He has been a torchbearer for promoting innovation and IP in India with MHRD, Government of India, Cell for IPR Promotion and Management, CIPAM, Department of Science and Technology, DST, Government of Rajasthan, Atal Innovation Mission, Niti Aayog, All India Council for Technical Education, TIE Chandigarh, National Research Development Corporation, Delhi and Institution Innovation Council at IIT Ropar. At a global stage, he is a member of PIUG and Licensing Executive Society LES USA. So please, let's have a round of applause for Mr. Harit Mohan. So before he begins to share his journey and mentor you guys further on entrepreneurship and other aspects, there's a small announcement that today the session will be for 1.5 hours, followed by the test. So the ones who've already given the test, it is your call whether you want to stay back or you want to leave. For the ones who are yet to give the test would be open at that particular time only. So make sure that you're pretty attentive at the moment and you're listening to the mentors very carefully. So don't go without your test, followed by a 5 to 10 minutes of feedback session. All right. So thank you so much. Over to you, Mr. Mohan. Thank you.
I think when the PPT sets up, I was walking across the college and हम लोग बात कर रहे थे कि यार we are jealous of you guys today. I mean the time that you are spending in lawns, enjoying the winters. I mean especially you guys are here, but most of the colleges. हम लोग वही chatting on the way that this is probably the best time that you guys have. Hats off to you guys for sitting on an entrepreneurship lecture. Nobody used to do it in our time, I think. So probably compliment to all of you that you guys are spending a little more time than others in thinking that how your career should be. And it's a good move because you have plenty of time, to do that right now. After this, life won't be similar ever. Trust me, it won't. I was in one of the best campuses in IITs. We had every possible thing that you can have. Cafe coffee day used to cost us 40, 50 bucks. Even IIT used to subsidize that for us. And what all facilities, the libraries and all. But trust me, uh, I still, when I go back to the campus, I miss it. So that's how the nostalgia comes in whenever you're in universities. Always to do that. So having said that, I will be basically talking about my session in two parts. Okay, one is my journey. Okay, how I become and thought of becoming an entrepreneur, and second one is about what my company does, because what it does is it would be highly useful for you to understand, at least touch upon what is IP, what is technology, how do you get into it. So let me, talk about the IP part first, and then I'll, keep throwing in chips of how I, deep dive into it, and then towards the end of it, I think we can talk more about the journey. So this is how it started, uh, when I talk to such audiences, both online and offline, we often talk about. By the way, can they listen me? The mic is okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, what are the dilemmas? Just by the raise of hands, how many of you actually think that you will be becoming an entrepreneur sometime in your life? Not, let's not say after college now, 3 years, sometime in your life. How many of you think कि ऐसा हो सकता है, possible है? Just by the raise of your hands. Okay, so three,
Okay.
4 of you just does think, and others think probably some senior leadership role in a bigger organization. Both of them.
Just a second. So all of you are online. You're raising a hand. You can unmute yourself and answer.
Yeah. Okay. How can I listen to the speaker?
We'll hear it. Harsh, you want to go ahead?
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Harsh.
Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm traveling right now, so there's a bit of a
No problem.
Yeah,
We can hear
please
you.
tell me.
No, you raised your hand, Harsh.
Right. Right. I mean, definitely, I'm not looking at doing something at this moment, but however, there's a lot to experience at this moment, and there's a lot to learn in terms of what can be done and what not. However, I'm definitely trying towards creating something from scratch and implementing it so that I'm putting it forward.
Sure.
But right now, it's definitely not the objective.
No, that's fine. That's fine, and I think that's fine. So we will be. So I'll be trying to give you some answers today of what are the things you should consider. How can you rate yourself probably if you are meant for it or not? Giving you some pros, some cons, both ways. So first thing first, as I said, and I can see some of your faces on the video cam. Maybe you can switch to the video cam for a minute. I mean, I want to see everyone. Just raise your hands once again. How many of you? The question, I know 4 people have raised here their hands. How many of you actually want to take up entrepreneurship sometimes in their life? Just raise your hands up, and I can see a lot of faces, online people. So
5, 6.
Acha, so they've raised their hands. Okay, you can physically raise your hand, man. I cannot see. Just raise your hands like this. I can see that better. Okay, now, yeah, this is better. Okay, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so about 40-50% say that yes. Okay, so I always say that probably if somebody asked me in the college, I wouldn't have raised my hand ever. So I was on the other side of the table, to be very honest. And things happens. Sometimes you take a plunge momentarily, sometimes situations make you do that and you're not prepared for it, that's okay. The program that Hitesh and Ekanji is running, the idea with this program, if I can speak about it from whatever I understand, is to make you prepare to an extent. What are the tools if you decide someday to take up on? There are different tools to do that. And when you think about these tools, for the people who think, for the people who don't think they don't want to take the entrepreneurship, क्या challenge लग रहा है, क्यों नहीं कर सकते? मतलब what do you think is the biggest roadblock of you thinking ये possible नहीं है? पहले उनसे पूछते हैं, then you can ask जिनके को लगता है कि possible है. कोई भी, anybody online, offline, you can guys unmute it. So my question, I'll repeat my question. My question is, what do you think is the biggest challenge for you today to think about entrepreneurship? If you think it today, one challenge that you think could stop you, or the biggest hurdle of taking up entrepreneurship?
Maybe failure.
Failure, okay. So fear of failure, fair enough. Good
Yeah.
answer.
Finance and time.
Could you say it again?
Time and financial.
Time, financial, okay. The liability, all right.
I think feasibility and commitment also is playing a major role.
Feasibility, commitment, okay. So you're talking about खुद पे भरोसे वाली बात, kind of, is it?
Right, the feasibility of the delivery or just creation of the product itself, product, service, whatever it is,
Okay.
and commitment in terms of okay, if I take up something, would I be committed 100% or would I look for another job which would be paying me more money? So which is that sticking to what you want to do.
Taking to what you do, okay. All right. Anything else? Pretty much it. Right? Yeah.
Being at par with the competition.
Okay, so this is when you have started. That's the question for afterwards. Yeah.
So time management can be one perspective.
So time, finance, okay, time, finance, and probably a couple of people said commitment level, and I don't know, liability. You were saying something?
I think one of the largest factors that there's a lot of responsibility that gets put on your shoulders. It's not that you're only
Sure. Fear of
responsible.
failure, fear of taking the
I wouldn't say
responsibility.
failure. I'd say that a lot of people will be depending on me. Not only myself, my employees. There's a whole ecosystem.
Fair, fair. So, okay, you've given 6 points. How many of you think the first and foremost thing is the idea? शुरू क्या करना है? Think backwards. I mean, yes, somebody raised the hand. Please go ahead. Yeah, unmute and you can go ahead.
Yes, sir. If we have the idea, we can start a startup. So having a very creative idea and anything that is innovative,
Yes.
that would lead to.
Okay. So idea is something that should be there in your head. Then comes risk of failures, कितना पैसा लगेगा, things like that comes much later. So for the people who raise their hands, at least this question is for them. How many of you have at least one idea in mind that you may like to invest into? If yeah, so you have it. Anybody else? You have it, but you said you don't want to start, right? तूने हाथ खड़ा किया था?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Anybody online who have the idea right now in their mind? Okay, 3. Alright, can you now go to the PPT? Let me start with this idea thing first. Okay, that how do you build your first idea? I mean, or let's say, how do you even scrutinize your first idea? Building is next. How do you even think of your first idea? So there are a lot of questions, when people think in, these are some of them, I heard, I think the first one is the most common. Should we take a good paying job or, take the burn of startup? By the way, my TEDx when I delivered was on the same thing. It will be coming live probably on TEDx or YouTube also in coming month or so. It was on the pain of startup or pain of regret. Okay. And the second question that you would generally do is what are the first steps to launch? People are just not aware कि करना क्या है. चलो idea भी है यार, करना क्या है यार. And people feel that colleges with it, there are not many teachers to help you out for that because nobody has walked that journey, walked that path ever. So how could they would guide you? And third is how much money do you need? I think this is the third most important question. And fourth one is a little funny, but people are afraid कि भैया boyfriend girlfriend कैसे लेंगे? The responsibilities and the family pressure or whatever, spouse pressure or girlfriend boyfriend pressure. So these are some of the often questions that people do ask. And I'll try to answer some of them today. Let me skip my company's introduction. I think ma'am has done a very good job already in that. So definition of entrepreneur goes something like this. In book you will see very fancy definitions. You can rectify it and do whatever you want to clear your exam. जिन्होंने start किया है, 2 बैठे हैं मेरे साथ, and Vikram is probably seeing it as a right hand कि हम क्या क्या face करते हैं daily. So the actual definition is आपको सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा. That's the simple and the pale definition of entrepreneurship. From being founder to with technically visionary to understand कि इस room में ये webcam network के साथ कैसे लगा हुआ है, Zoom अगर मेरे को खरीदना पड़ेगा तो कितने पैसों में आएगा, ये जो room बना हुआ है इसका square foot area कितना है, इसमें मैं tiles लगवाऊँ या carpet लगवाऊँ, what kind of AC do I need, what kind of temperature it can give to my employees. अगर मेरा ऑफिस बॉय छुट्टी पे चला गया है, स्टार्टिंग में तो यार झाड़ू भी मारना पड़ता है अपने ऑफिस में सुबह जल्दी आके. So that's how you get. You have to sign legal agreements unless you cannot hire people like Akan who charge you. You have to do your own understanding and you need to even understand कि कैसे legal agreements लिखे जाते हैं companies के. At least you should have an idea. So accounting पढ़नी पड़ेगी, balance sheets देखनी पड़ेगी, and you have to do a number of things. And by the way, no college degree will ever teach you that. IIT तो सिखाया नहीं, और कुछ मुझे पता नहीं कि इंडिया में colleges कैसे हैं, but none of you will teach it. So मैं डरा इसलिए रहा हूँ because you should be aware what you're going into if you are stepping into this world. How do you beat it? Solution क्या है? क्योंकि ये सब तो नहीं आता होगा, right? मेरे को भी नहीं आता था यार. Even today I'm learning. So how do you beat it then? How do you beat it?
I feel like there isn't any necessary, there's no way to beat it. In a lot of things of life, it's I feel like it's a necessary evil. Like you just have to do it.
Yes, you have to live with it. But how could you lessen the burn to an extent? Let's say this way.
I guess maybe getting experience beforehand, going.
Good answer. Maybe you can try doing job for a couple of years, then coming into it. Some of the answers you may get when you will be having some experience. Good answer. What else?
So an alternative answer to this can be
Yeah.
that we can hire the specialized people in our company.
Yes. So you can do that if you have a lot of money or if you have investors to begin with. I mean, when you're bootstrapping, you do not have that money, to be honest. So that's a good answer, but it has a rider that you should have good money in your hand, because when you talk about specialization, I mean, to have a good specialization staff, you could be burning about 6 to 8 lakhs per month just on salaries, and I'm not sure you started selling or not. Okay, so if that's the answer, you should have investment, or you should have money, family money, your own money, whatever money. Okay, any other way? What people does is they do a lot of hiring of advisors beginning. So that's a hack that you should try. Find out advisors, people like them, people like me maybe, who could help you advise at the early stage how you could save money and could help you save time by not cutting into the expensive errors. Yeah, as I said, rider to your failures could be having advisors initially. And for that you need to network a lot. बात करनी पड़ेगी लोगों से. You have to come out of your college sunny gardens and go out in real world and talk to people. Right? And overall you kind of act like as a Superman in some way. You will become that. You will realize that ये वो heavenly powers, entrepreneurial powers आनी शुरू हो जाती हैं as you start practicing. And क्योंकि इतना कुछ कर रहा है, there will be failures. Yes, there will be failures. Some could be lethal, some could be money-wise problems, some you can be rectifying it, some are just not rectifiable. ये सब चलता रहेगा. How you handle is peace of mind, patience रखना पड़ेगा. You need to rely, you need to kind of trust कि हो जाएगा ठीक, and होता है ठीक. With so many unicorns coming in India, you think कॉलेज से आए यार, what 35, 40, 30s, 40s में है ये लोग सारे, कहीं से नहीं सीख के आए. They've done the errors, they've walked that path, and that's how you do it, right? So, for me, if you look at this slide now, there are 3 I's that you have to focus on. The first is your idea, right? Where you start. Then you protect it with a necessary IPR. Okay, IPR could be, you could protect it with patents, trademarks, or whatever way. Once you've done both, then you go for commercialization or industrialization of your product. So if you've done both, you have chances of a very successful product. If you've done all the 3 things right? So let's take them one by one. Let's understand the idea creation and diffusion first. And I go a little technical here, and then we'll relax it back a little. And first example को आप देखो, it's a plot between what? The first curve is a plot between quality of the idea,
Quality and
time. So let us see this way. There is a lockdown in your city. 1.5 साल से जैसी लॉकडाउन खुला, you decided कि हमें हॉलिडे करना है. Genuinely, possible, and you would have thought of it. Understand within this group. Let's create this thing. Which place you should go in for holiday? यहीं guess करो table पे, बताओ. Just randomly throw some destinations in India.
Goa.
Let's say within 100. Okay, Goa, fair enough. Shimla or Jaipur. I hate that city, but that's okay. Or Kerala. Right. बस और कुछ? ऑनलाइन वाले कहीं जाना चाहते हो? एक ऑलरेडी वेकेशन से सेशंस ले रहे हो. So what has happened is we have spent some time. Now you look at this graph. You start getting some idea. All of them are very relevant idea, but they're all obvious answers. People have done that, very crowded places. सारी जनता वहीं जाती है. So all of them are very relevant ideas. You've hit the peak of it. Thank you so much. So you've hit the phase, and what you are seeing is that all of them are very relevant ideas. एंड कम ही टाइम में आपको सारे आइडियाज आ रहे हैं, बट कोई भी अभी तक नॉन ऑब्वियस आइडिया नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा आइडिया नहीं है जो अनटैप्ड रहा हो. नाउ थिंक फॉर समथिंग न्यू डेस्टिनेशन टू विजिट. Places of where people travel less, untapped places near Goa where nobody goes but it is as good as Goa, places near Shimla where nobody goes but it has as good as views mountains could offer. Think. No ideas? ऑनलाइन पे कुछ आइडियाज हो? Places near Goa, Shimla, Kerala, which are not as densely visited but are good.
Andaman Nicobar.
That's a obvious tourist destination. मतलब फिर मैं अंडमान से साथ नहीं बोल सकता, there's ocean. So.
Lonavala.
Okay, a popular tourist destination. Anything else? Less traveled, nobody have heard of the names, but you want to go there. Some villages around that area. So the idea is, see, this is what you're doing right now. From relevancy, time is passing by, your ideas are getting dropped. Now you've hit this turf. समझ में आ रहा है क्या हो रहा है? This is how ideation curves and diffusion happens. And then all of a sudden, people could say there is one village 30 kilometers away from Shimla where you could do a homestay. It's beautiful and nobody has visited there. It's road less traveled and we could enjoy there. And this is a novel idea. Time has passed by then. From obvious to no ideas to keep brainstorming about it, you may hit something good. Yes, no. So this is how you have to do your ideation when you sit for your first product, when you sit for your first ideation, when you sit for your first things. And that's what I also advise my clients, my startups, when I mentor somebody, that give it time. You have to research about it. Google karo, padho, dekho kya competition hai, and things like that should happen. Because at the end of the day, if you're starting a business which is already too crowded, chances are it's already exploited, there's a lot of competition, and you'll be eaten by a big fish. And they won't let you survive. Especially if you don't have fun. Today, if somebody say we want to do another Baiju, good luck. If today people say I want to do another flight comparison website, good luck. If people today would say we want to do another Uber, Ola, good luck. Right? But if you think you could come up with another idea that you could aggregate together, that's fine. A lot of apps, if you've realized, I don't know how deeply you think about it, are aggregators. What is aggregators? Flights पढ़ी थी 100 different flying airlines की, IBO, Make My Trip, consolidate them. Hotels पढ़े थे, which company aggregated them? Okay, Oyo. Aggregated them. कोई property नहीं है खुद की खास, but they are giving properties away for everybody else to book from. Taxis पढ़ी थी, Uber said we will aggregate you guys. Chicken space unturned था, कौन आ गया? Licious came in. You look for these spaces if you want to build an aggregator model where तुम chicken नहीं बना रहे यार. दूध था, all of a sudden you're now seeing ad of another startup which is sending milk, Country Delight or something, I don't know. So you look for spaces like that. That is untapped, that is not traveled much, and you have less competition. Urban clap, मतलब saloons or all these people, barbers, and they've kind of aggregated and sat upon all of them. क्या रह गया है? You have to think this way, because अभी आप सोचो कि ऐप बनानी है, so I know a couple of people said they would be thinking on something that is existing. These are the most killing ideas, and then the law of diffusion of innovation comes in. अब ये मैं एक और example समझाता हूँ. When Flipkart came in or Amazon came in, probably I think better answers would come, and you guys are still young. Doesn't matter, you guys are not young, but just to give an example. How many of you were confident कि Flipkart या Myntra से we could buy easily? People started as in risk है. क्या risk थे? Fake products आ जाएंगे. पैसे तो दे देंगे तो आएगा कि नहीं, right? And today I think almost everybody is so confidently paying upfront and then they're waiting for the product. Yes, no. Now you yourself fit in. क्या कोई यहाँ पे था जब पहली बार Flipkart लॉन्च हुआ और पहले ही दिन उन्होंने 1000-2000 का ऑर्डर दे दिया? नहीं ना. क्या हुआ? Imagine a size of people of 100 in a class. 10 people took that risk of ordering for the first time. When iPhone launches, पहले risk taker सबसे पहले लाइन में रात को खड़े हो जाते हैं. You have seen that videos, right? यार देखेंगे. They are risk takers, right? Because they want to try it first hand. And mostly these people are, if you see on this curve, are about less people, about 2.5% of this we call them as innovators, and they kind of run the world. फिर उसके बाद आते हैं early adopters. क्लास में 2-3 लोगों ने 100 में से कर लिया, उनको देखा देखी बोला 3 का आ गया, डिस्काउंट भी अच्छे लग गए थे, they got genuine products and they saved 500 rupees per shoes or phone or whatever they've ordered. Let's try it now. उनको देखा देखी और 10 आ जाते हैं मार्केट में और 12-13 आ जाते हैं. These guys are known as early adopters. Then comes the early majority. When half of the class start ordering online. Then comes the late majority. If half हो गए, your business have touched that tipping point. Now everybody else will fall in place. No matter what business you are doing, you would be fitting in this curve always. Another example, touch screen. फोन जब आए थे, कितनों के मम्मी पापा ने मना किया था कि यार टच स्क्रीन लेना खराब हो जाएगा, पानी पड़ जाएगा, टूट सकते हैं, कांच है यार, फोन नहीं है. यस नो. एंड आज वही पेरेंट्स सबसे ज्यादा यूज करते हैं, यूट्यूब देखते हैं जब हम ऑफिस होते हैं या कॉलेज होते हैं, उसी टच स्क्रीन पे. करेक्ट. So that is how the investment goes in, the diffusion of innovation goes in. If you are doing something very new, you need to remember that this curve will happen to your product, your startups also. You need to be patient about it. You need to take that thing in mind that it can take 2 to 3 years. Now there are risks and benefits involved. Somebody online said that innovative product hona chahiye yaar. So this has pros and cons. If you're doing for the first time, you have to live this curve by your own. If you're going to a area जहाँ पे 5-7 startups already कर रही हैं काम, trust me, the risk minimize a little. 5-7 कर रही हैं, आप छठी बन जाओगे. लेकिन हाँ 60-70 वर्क कर रही हैं, you're becoming 71st, I won't say it, I guess. Especially if you do not have that kind of funds. Okay, so that's how the diffusion of things come, and then I'll spend a little time on what IP is, because once you have idea, once you have innovated something, you would like to protect it. By definition, what are patents? Anybody who could take guesses? What are patents? पता है किसी को? बताओ. Any guesses? I mean that's okay. I'm not gonna mark you.
Reserve the idea that you come up with so that no one else copies.
Okay. Anybody online? So there are patents, trademarks, copyrights, GI and industrial design. 5 of them. नाम पढ़ लो सारे. We'll go back to the camera mode. I'll tell you one by one. Okay? Can we go to the camera mode now for a second? So anybody online could tell us what are patents? So what's your name?
Jasleen.
Jasleen said to reserve the idea. Anybody else would like to take guesses?
Just an authority given to a person that okay, this is a product that you have made, no one else can make it.
Okay.
The person who's supposed to do it, no one else can. No one
Okay.
else.
Nobody else can make it. For how long? Till infinite, till
I
he's
don't know the
alive.
answer to that. I think that's a definitely fine because we were just reading about pharma industry and how that big.
Okay. Anybody else? और कोई guesses? So patents is as he said or as he said, are rights that are given by government. मैं नहीं दे सकता. Lawyers नहीं दे सकते. It has to be given by the patent office. We guys help facilitating writing or drafting a patent application. We can help you file that. It's like you want to apply for a driving license, you do not know how to do the paperwork, you hire an agent, they do it, you pay them their fees, and then it is ready. Similar line, that's how you file the patents. And the life of the patent is 20 years. Okay, how much it is? 20 years. Life is 20 years. And patents are generally given for innovations, compositions, products. All these things are, possible to get a patent for. A lot of time people say we would like to protect an idea. Is it possible? No. Idea could be I can snap my finger like Thanos and all these online guys, jump in from the window out in our room. Possible? Not possible as of today. All these are ideas, not patentable. Somebody has to make that idea possible, looks like it is doable, and then you could patent protect it. Okay, that's the first common mistake people think idea आया patent करा दे ऐसे नहीं. Then what are trademarks? See, do you see this sign? The name of the brands, the name of your universities, my company, Signicent. You apply for the trademark. Once it is accepted, once it is given a right, it becomes registered. There are logos. If I say I am loving it, what brand I am talking about? I never said it right, but you know it. How? That's the power of trademarks. Without even saying the word, without even naming the brand, some punchlines become so popular that you know it. If I say just do it,
Nike.
see, I never said Nike. So when you're talking about the protection of brand names, the name of your companies probably that you would think of would fall under trademarks. Now what company does, the innovative things that they would make will come under patents. Third is copyrights. What are copyrights? Content. The things that you would write, the books, the blogs, the software codes, paintings, शायरी है कोई शायर? कोई भी नहीं? ऑनलाइन कोई शायर? Nobody. Okay. So these are all copyrights. Okay. Mostly इन तीनों में हो जाता है. Fourth is industrial design. Then there is an overlap with design patents to an extent. Geographical indication is what's popular about Assam. So that is geographical indication. A geography representing a particular product. What is popular about Banaras? Different choices, different answers. What is popular about, I don't know, Kashmir? Shawls, willows, whatever. Geographical indications. Right? समझ में आया? So अब प्लीज ऐसा मत बोलना हम पैटेंट का ट्रेडमार्क लेके कॉपीराइट करा देंगे, नहीं यार. That's like saying हम चंडीगढ़ में रह के लंदन चले जाएंगे और लंदन से आके न्यूयॉर्क उतर जाएंगे, ऐसे नहीं होता. They are all different things, every different protection, people use it very differently, you should not do that. Patents for innovations, trademark for logos, your brand name protections, mota. Copyright is for content. So if you are opening a digital marketing company who is writing content for another player, you have logo for your trademark and the content will be copyrighted, not patented. If you are opening a manufacturing company who makes parts for, let's say, an automobile company, brakes, pads, suspensions or whatever, trademark for the name of the company and the designs that you would make for your manufacturing company would come under patents. Clear? Back to the slides, please. So let's do a quick exercise just to freeze what we have learned today. and I would like to you to kind of guess. Online people can just type it, sir. You can just read their answers. So guys, you can start. Go to your chat. Go to the chat box of your sessions. I'll skip that. I've already covered it. Yeah. So quick exercise. What will this come under amongst patents, trademarks? I mean, you can just say it. Huh? Trademark. Anybody else? Online answers? What will this go under?
So we are seeing slide number 2 only.
4 दिख रही हो. Is it visible now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you guess the first thing? What kind of IP will this logo come under?
So trademark.
Okay. My pointer is not working. Can you? I think the slides have to go.
Can you try it?
फुल स्क्रीन कर दीजिए. Okay. Can you now see the slides? So the first one is trademark. What about this one? Masks that we are wearing today. Patent. It's a technology. It has filters and a lot of things in it. So it goes under patents. What about this book? Copyright. What about the secret formula of Coca-Cola? Trade secret. We haven't touched it. Trade secret is when you do not want to protect it. Under patents, trademarks and copyrights. Why do you do that? Because see, patents are protected for 20 years. Trademark has its own life. But trade secret is secret, right? You can keep it till the rest of your life or you may not. It all depends. How about this one? Patent. This one? This one? It's a painting. So it goes under copyright. Okay. So now you've learned what is IPR. Idea ho gaya, IP ho gaya. Then you go towards your industrialization, business, setting up, whatever you want. And ये सब वो fields हैं, the things that we talked about, बहुत बड़ी checklist है. It's okay even if you think you can do it, but understanding the risk of it, dealing with the unknown, because a lot of times you want to know what will happen, self-doubt आएगा, capital, time management, team building. There are a number of variables that you have to run across to become an entrepreneur. मैं इसको हटा देता हूँ, डराना नहीं चाह रहा. Mistakes. क्या गलतियाँ हो सकती हैं? Choosing a common idea. All right. What else?
Not doing market research.
Not doing market research, right? What else? Online? Anybody would like to answer, say anything?
Lack of innovation.
Lack of innovation, okay. Lack of experience, lack of skill, poor financial skills. So there are a lot of things you could do it. And the mistakes are, and you need to rectify that. That's fine, okay. So that's like pretty much it on what we would see. Just some comments like these are available on Google. There are 55,000 plus startups in India. India is right now third largest in startup space. Best time to be in startup industry today. Right after US and China, we are the third largest economy, bringing most startup right now. Every year we are adding a lot of direct jobs in startups. So role of ecosystem in India is increasing. Some facts and figures. I mean, if you want, you can take a note of it. Otherwise, that's fine. This is what is happening in industry right now. agri-tech mobility, मतलब कौन सी space में you could start up, what has happened. So for people who would like to have some facts on that, ये important है यार. Before next slide. And how much time do I have with it?
We take the time for yours to close.
हाँ. So when do I?
We can shorten our particular thing.
Okay.
That's not a problem.
So first thing is funds. Idea आ गया, पैसे लगाने हैं. That's the next big thing that you need. कहाँ से आएंगे funds?
Relatives.
Banks, relatives, और
Investors.
investors, crowdfunding, और
Angel investors and venture capitalists.
okay. Can you go to the video mode? I think the slides are done anyhow. Anything else? That was
If we are allowed for an IPO, then shares and then debentures also.
IPO.
Institution loans, bank loans, private loans.
okay. Good. अच्छी तरह से books पढ़ रहे हो आप. Real life will teach you good lessons. Okay. What else?
For IPOs.
बहुत दूर की बात है. Okay. ये किसी ने मम्मी पापा को याद नहीं किया. Parents would invest in your ideas? Yes, no. या बोलेंगे पढ़ा दिया यार, अब और नहीं होगा, अब खुद देख लेना. Raise your hands. How many of you would say today that enough is enough? हमने education कर दी, graduation, post graduation करा दिया, अब खुद देख लो, you are on your own. Raise your hands honestly. Okay. एक बड़ा छोटा सा हाथ उठाया है, पास में मम्मा पापा. Okay. यहाँ पे online people, offline people. Your parents would invest in your ideas? Good. दो तीन ने बोला हाँ. So when I asked this question, banks and all, funny story here. जब मैंने start किया था, I worked for a couple of years. Okay. I'll come to my story जैसे हितेश बोल रहे थे just after this. But the first fund that you would need should come from your own side to as much as possible, at least for prototyping. If your idea is hungry for funds to even kickstart, then it's okay. You need to get good investors, angel investors, seed investors, or whatever. But if it is like an IT company, digital marketing company, or what most of us generally think, the first fund should come from within as much as you could. A lot of investors would say this: if you haven't pumped in your own money, why you are risking ours? Parents को convince करना पड़ेगा. Does your parents have 10-15 lakhs to spare for your startup? No. Ask your parents to then pay attention to this, how much they have saved for your marriages. कितनी FDI हैं? कितने EPF हैं? कितने PPF हैं? And the scale is more biased towards female, fortunately or unfortunately, when it comes to marriages in India. उनके ज़्यादा होते हैं. So you guys have better chances to take that fund, a part of it, and start soon. Point is, they won't trust you. They're happy spending 2 lakhs on your photo shoots, but they won't buy you an i5, 3 systems, and pay 3 internships for your startups. Try that. Do a reality test after going home, and do not name me unless you censor. भड़का नहीं रहा. So money है. एक average research 10 lakhs is what you need, I think, in an average family right now to get married. I don't know, 8 to 10 lakhs is the budget. ज़्यादा होगा मैम, कम होगा?
So much more.
Much
That's the minimum you're
That's the
saying.
minimum I'm
Yeah.
saying. 10 lakhs to chalo, playing safe. If you could extract about 8 to 10 lakhs for your startups, trust me, you could launch very fast. So the fund is sitting right now in their bank accounts at your homes. Point is, do they trust you? And if they don't trust you, good luck proving investors. The banks that we are talking about, the second best option 2011-12 में मैं गया था जब I started off my own company. I had about 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs in a bank account. And I said I want to open the first current account for my company. By the way, I'm bootstrapped till this point. I've never, raised a single penny right till now. It's all bootstrapped, and today we are about 80 people, okay, working in my organization. I went to big banks, the HDFCs and ICICIs. I sat in there for about 30-40 minutes asking them कि मेरे 2 interns आ रहे हैं, पहली job है. They asked me what kind of salaries are you gonna pay them? I said 8,000 per month. That's the best I could do. 30 minutes and waited. Nobody came out to even attend me. आज अभी बैंक के फोन आ रहे हैं to give our current accounts. We have given 200 salary accounts to all these banks till now. I have 3 dedicated relationship managers from banks who are running after us to, give them the money. So the story and the table size change. You have to hang in there. You have to hang in there. Okay, so that's probably it for the first part of the journey. The second part will continue. If you have any questions, I think you want to moderate something.
I think it's better you go for your journey.
Journey first and then you. Okay, fine.
Because we are in a flow, so we don't want to.
We're disturbed. Okay, okay. So that ends the first part of the talk. Okay. Any questions for the first part? Maybe I can quickly take 3-4 questions and then I go to the journey. Any questions, online, offline people? IT का कोई question हो, entrepreneurship का question हो?
These patterns can be removed or
No.
similar.
You cannot. 20 years means 20 years. Any other questions? यार या तो मैं बहुत clear था या किसी ने सुना नहीं.
In what cases are patents rejected if they happen?
If there is no novelty in them. That's the biggest reason of rejection. If you're trying to patent what somebody has already done it before, you won't get a patent. Biggest reason is lack of novelty.
So can I ask a question from their side?
Yeah, please.
So like we are getting a patent in India because they are eyeing for Canada. So is it eligible there also?
No.
No. So then what is to be done with that?
So, very good question. A patent in India, can it give you protection other countries? No. Patents are geography specific rights. If you decide, so it depends on what countries you want to sell your product. That's how you should think about it. The product that I'm making today, is it good for India? Is it good for 3 countries, 10 countries, 100 countries? That's the question you have to decide upon. So if you say, I want to sell it in India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, and maybe Canada, let's say. So you first file for an Indian patent. You have 12 months within which you have to enter into different countries as well. Within the 12 months, if you do it, you can use this application reference in your other countries and try and protect the rights in other countries as well. But you have to file for it. If you're targeting for multiple countries, you go for something known as PCT application. PCT applications means you could file a single application which goes to multiple countries and you get multiple countries patent together. Of course, it is multiple countries, so the fees is higher. Okay, but patents by default are country specific. Okay. Any other questions? No questions. Okay, so okay. So second part about the journey, and I'll take 15 minutes. Hitesh is very strict moderator. I started at 2:20. I'll finish it by 3:15. Okay. How I started. So this is how it started, and 2008 is when I passed out from IIT. Okay, and I got a good job. As I said, मैं हाथ नहीं उठाता अगर तब मुझे कोई पूछता entrepreneurship के लिए. 2008 is when I started off. not many of you would know, but 2008 was the period of Great Recession. 8-9. The IT bubble has bursted. There were layoffs going on. I got my first campus job that time in 2008 from IIT. 2008 में 50,000 was a good amount. And I got placed in a very reputed company in Mumbai. I went there for my first job. It was a good afternoon, about same time as of today, 3 p.m. We came out of lunch after completing our 1 month of training, and an HR like Vicky walked into the room, or maybe like Hitesh, she's also an HR expert, walked into the room after the lunch, and हम 14 लोग थे बैच में, and एक एक करके हमें ले ऑफ किया, fired. Reason was there are no projects the company had. So they hired us, kept there for a month, did our training for a month there, and they removed us. So from 50,000 dash to zero in a month's time. Now, most of us go to IITs for a good placement, let's be honest. पैसे मिलते हैं यार चले जाते हैं. And that hope dashed. So whatever I worked has become almost zero in about a month's time. 14 या 15 लोग थे हम फ्रॉम डिफरेंट IITs, मद्रास, कानपुर, मुंबई, दिल्ली कैंपस से. सबके सब 1 घंटे के अंदर HR ने एस्कॉर्ट कर दिए थे बाहर. बॉम्बे की सड़कों पे हम खड़े हैं, सोच रहे हैं क्या करना है. क्या किया हमने? पार्टी की उस दिन कि निकल गए. बाय द वे अभी एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप कहीं नहीं है सीन में. A job loss की tragedy है सीन में, ठीक है, visualize it like that. And we came back home, respective cities, formed, जब ना WhatsApp था ना कुछ था 2008-9 में. So we G-Talk हुआ करता था तब. I don't know how many of you used Google Talk or something like that. Chat engines हुआ करते थे, एकांत के होगा. So we formed a group on G-Talk and we started referring each other jobs. That was the first time I got interviewed by Economic Times. अच्छे के लिए नहीं, बुरे के लिए. They wanted to show that even IITians are not safe right now. Good luck for everybody to get the jobs and so on. So they did a cover story on job roles at that time, and I said that मेरा नाम मत लिखना, नहीं तो मेरी salary नहीं आएगी 1 महीने की भी. So they changed my name in Economic Times when they interviewed me. 1.5-2 महीने उसके बाद मैंने इंटरव्यूज दिए, कोई जॉब नहीं लगी. एक जॉब लगी somewhere near in Panchkula, and it was a sales job. Night shift. My job was to get clients for another company, and I did it for 3-4 months. My work timing was 6 p.m. to about 4 a.m. in the morning, and my salary was about 20,000 for night shifts. 50 से 0, 0 से 20. That's how the graph was picking up. I did it for about 3-4-5 months. Now, important thing is how many of you think कि अगर हम engineers हैं तो हमें engineering की jobs करनी चाहिए. हम commerce हैं तो हमें accounting, CAs या job करनी चाहिए. What profile से you guys back? किस में graduations कर रहे हो या post graduations कर रहे हो आप लोग? What's your background? Management. What else? Sub management क्यों?
There are CIS, computer students also.
Computer students also. So most of you, so say management people, if they're asked today कि यार आपको quality check department में operations पे काम करना है, you would say यार नहीं मेरी profile नहीं. I have not done my education the same ground, so I won't do it.
In fact, I'd like to add, so Shaurya is here. Shaurya, if you can unmute. So we just had a vote today morning. He said, I want to withdraw from this program because this is mostly for management and I'm a CIS student.
Yeah.
And I'll be here for a couple of sessions. We'll talk after that.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
So the idea is, this is the biggest thing that we people, including me, I had in mind कि यार जिसमें मेरी education है ना, मुझे वही करना है. Trust me, जो मैंने पहली statement बताई, you have to become jack of all if you ever think you have to go for leadership. I will give you an example. Who is the current CEO of Twitter?
Jack Dorsey.
Parag Agrawal.
Yeah.
Parag Agrawal. अब वो CEO है, उसको HR डिपार्टमेंट रिपोर्ट करता है, उसे अकाउंटिंग डिपार्टमेंट रिपोर्ट करता होगा, उसको ऑपरेशन भी रिपोर्ट करता होगा, उसको सेल्स भी रिपोर्ट करता होगा. If he would have thought this way कि यार मैं तो भाई IIT से पढ़ के आया हूँ, मुझे तो सिर्फ सारा जिंदगी कंप्यूटर साइंस ही करना है या अपनी सिर्फ कोडिंग ही करनी है. See, imagine it like this. When we're traveling the higher roles, it's like a triangle. You start from the basic, and you go your growth like this in any organization that you're working upon. There is maybe one CEO, maybe 10 AVP, but there are thousands of associates at the bottom level. So when you're climbing up, your exposure level has to be widespread. ये चीज दिमाग से बिल्कुल निकाल दो. If you want to sit, चाहे आप CEO बनो, चाहे AVP, VP, आपको किसी कंपनी में बनना है as a job employee, you have to learn almost everything if you want to govern people from every horizon of your life. You have to learn broad. Now, when I got this sales job, I had the same mind. मैं IIT से आया हूँ, minus technical degree. Why the hell I'm doing sales in my life? ठीक है ना? ऐसे सोचते हैं. I'll connect this dot after a few minutes. I went there for 6 months. I resigned from that job due to this thing in mind that I'm a technical guy. Why the hell I'm doing sales? I resigned from there. I went to Hyderabad for another job after 6 months. 6 months I worked there, and I was sent to United States for the first time during that. And this was a project that I did for the world's biggest beverage company. And they were so impressed that they said कि यार जिसने भी ये project lead किया उसको आप US भेज दो. It was 10 AM in the morning. I was sleeping. मेरे CEO का कॉल आया तब, नहीं MD का कॉल आया तब, और मैं डर गया कि 10 बज गए डांट पड़ेगी. He said you have a passport. मैं बोला हाँ है. कह रहा है लेके ऑफिस आ जा. I went in there. I had no freaking clue मुझे क्यों बुला रहा है. 10:30 I reached the office. He said go submit your US visa fees application. And long story short, I traveled to US. ऐसे एक हॉल था, ऐसे एक ऑनलाइन ऑडिटोरियम थी where the global heads of this company joined in via WebEx, and there were people sitting like you. I probably was 2.5 years experienced in that area, and I had to give the project 3 hours presentation of what I've done in the project. I was so nervous. मैंने presentation 1.5 घंटे में खत्म कर दी. बहुत nervous था. That's how it starts. The life will give you such opportunities uncalled for, and you have to take those opportunities there and there. You may not be ready. It will be all uncertain, but you cannot say no because this is important for your careers or whatever. वापस आया. I was very happy कि finally मेरी job 20,000 से 33,000 हो गई है. 50 तो भी नहीं थे, 33,000 हो गए हैं. चलो कुछ तो अब ठीक चल रहा है लाइफ में. Another call came in 2010. 2008 में मैं जॉब हुआ. 3 जॉब्स में चेंज कर चुका था. People like Vicky would have rejected me कि यार 2 साल 3 switches, ये कैसे हो रहा है? And I got a call, and this was from the same company where I was doing the sales job. 2 people called me, let's start up. I said, okay, give me time to think about it. Then I asked first question, what will my salary? They said 10,000. So 50, 0, 20, 33, 10. And I said yes. While my friends were in US, Germany, doing whatever they wanted to do, I was still hanging on at 10,000 thinking for a startup. So that's how the psychic would have to be different. If you want to start up, forget about money. Then you start up. If you're going for money, then forget about startup. ये तो basic equation है. Job छोड़ी मैंने, went for startup, did a startup. First time मेरे पास ये startup का equation आया, and that's what I said. Entrepreneurship happened at this time for the first time in my life. Else I was a job person. And I went there. We did about one CR in less than 18 months for that company. And what was my job profile? Sales. So मैंने वो 6 महीने जो accidentally job की थी, that became the role defining thing for my startup that time. We did about 1 CR in 18 months, and then what happened? I got a BMW? No, they ditched me. I was thrown out of that company. And that's why I hated Jaipur. फिर से zero. फिर से zero. This was 2012 now. 2010 में मैं गया. 2012 डेढ़ साल मैंने work किया. 2012 I said enough is enough. Now I need to take control of my own life. 2012 I started this company. 2021 fast forward 80 people, two offices in 2 countries, traveled about 14 countries myself. Fast growing team. So you need to hang in. You need to hang on. Right? So that has been my journey of how it started, how it went. Right? Yeah, so that's it. Any questions or I have 3 more minutes time. I have 2 more minutes. to
What
wrap
made
up.
you choose this particular industry, the IP industry?
My first job was in this area. My first job was in this area.
So in 12, when you started this Significant, you bootstrapped.
Yes.
With how much money?
I bootstrapped with 4 lakhs in my bank.
Saved from doing the jobs earlier.
That's another story. छोटी सी है उसमें. What I used to do was वहाँ से तो मैं निकल गया था. They ditched me, right? I was not prepared कि मुझे bootstrap करना है, by the way. When you are prepared कि bootstrap करना है, you start saving beforehand. अभी तक तो मेरे को था ही नहीं यार कि मुझे bootstrap करना है. So जब उन्होंने मुझे निकाल दिया, for about 6 months I opened another company and I'm disclosing today. This was in education space. I used my skills in technology which I gained from IIT. I started writing research papers for US people and they used to pay me $10 a page. So अच्छा लिख रहे थे तो then I hired 2-3 content writers for my research papers. 6 months में we made about 2.5 lakhs. And I was very clear, this is till the point I have sufficient money to bootstrap. So this thing took for, was there for about 2.5 years because Significant was not making money even after first year. Somebody has to fund this for another year. So I kept doing that in the nights, kept doing this in the morning, till the time this overtook that business. And then I left that and this became full time. There has to be one flow of fund. It could be your parents, it could be anything. And मेरे parents ने जैसे आप लोग को नहीं कोई देखा मुझे भी कोई नहीं दे रहा था यार मैं रख देता हूँ. Thank you. So this become the full time there. And एक funny story मैं last सुना के I'll wrap up. हितेश ने 1-2 बार सुनी है, एकांत ने 1 बार सुनी है. So as I said, we were working night में. And what happened was I used to be a night person, and when I used to be a night person, I used to be up by 3-4 a.m. in the morning, and I used to sleep after that, and I used to get up by 10-11 in the morning. And housemates आती थी जैसे सबके घर में सफाइयाँ करने, मेरे घर में भी आते थे. तो आंटी जो आते थे सफाई करने 9, 9:30, 10 बजे, वो देखते थे कि मैं हर टाइम सो रहा होता हूँ, जब मैं स्टार्टअप कर रहा था. So 2-3 महीने आंटी ने देखा, then she used to आशा मॉम की करता क्यों नहीं कुछ लड़का. ठीक है, मम्मा में प्रेशर बन रहा था मेरे पे. बाय दैट टाइम आई गॉट कपल ऑफ ऑफर्स क्योंकि 2.5 साल का एक्सपीरियंस था. गुड कंपनी हियर ऑफर्ड मी टू हेड देयर एंटायर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. आई रिफ्यूज्ड. दे आर पेइंग मी अबाउट 50,000-60,000. आई रिफ्यूज्ड. There were a couple of offers I got, one from Thapar University to join them. I refused. So I was refusing the high paying job for this startup. Again and again and again, and it went for about 3 months. बहुत society pressure हो गया था, parents pressure हो गया था, peer pressure हो गया था, बहुत ज़्यादा. So because you're an IITian and sitting home, that's a huge pressure in itself. Because रात को मैं website बनाना सीख रहा हूँ, मुझे नहीं आती यार website. I was a biotech grad. Website नहीं पता मुझे कैसे होती थी. So I used to learn on YouTube how to make websites, how to do accounting and blah blah blah. So 10 बजे आंटी आते थे, मैं सो रहा होता था, मम्मी को पोक करते थे। एक दिन क्या हुआ कि मेरी सुबह 4 बजे कॉल थी, तो उस दिन मैं 12 बजे सो गया। I got up at 3:30 a.m. for the 4 a.m. call. I worked for a little more and उस दिन 8-9 बजे तक सुबह काम करके 9 बजे सोया। And उस दिन मैं आंटी जो है वो 2-2:30 बजे आई, she was late, और उस दिन मैं 2:30 बजे भी सो रहा था। Then she lost it. She became my recruiter. She went on and said to everybody in society that this guy needs a job. नीचे मैं अपनी कार में गया तो एक आंटी मिले, वो बोले बेटा अपना सीवी भेज देना। मैंने कहा क्या हुआ आंटी? ये मेरा बेटा HDFC में मैनेजर है, वो तेरी नौकरी लगवा देगा। So today what we are laughing at was a depressing state. Now I have to take services of a maid as my recruiter. And this is what has happened, right? And today we've employed about 200 people already in the last 9 years. So ups and downs will come in an entrepreneurial journey, and probably that's it from my side. And good luck for making your businesses. And thank you, stage over to you.
Sahil, you have a question?
Yeah, my question was that, when you were working for that major brand and they were thinking of sending you to America, so what sort of, inspired you to take that leap and then go to the startup side from that job?
So it was okay. So I'll tell you both ways. Practically, this was a major opportunity. My company was ready to send me to US, settle there, work from home that time. I said no because I thought I can get a job anytime because of the brand that I came from in education. Let me try it once. That was the only motivation that I had at that time when I first took a dip into startup world. 2 years after, as I've already told you, they kicked me out of the startup. So it would have been a decision जो मैं regret कर सकता था. See, whenever you're in pain, you need to take a call. Either you can take it, a dip and plunge yourself into depression, or secondly, you can say यार हो गया जो हो गया, अब देखते हैं आगे बढ़ते हैं. That's the thing that you have to be in your mind. Whenever you meet failure, just take it head on. Just take it head on. That's okay. जो हो गया उसको undo नहीं कर सकते यार. So the only thing that I had in mind was मेरी job लग जाएगी because of the education background that I have. But let me try it. That's the only thing that I had in mind. The second is your family. They need to support you. Big time. और कुछ?
So, two quick questions, one from Ekantji's side and one from my side.
So like we were talking about IP. So there is a R with the Fraser ID, that means registered. If we use it without getting it registered, if somebody does it, so there is a liability to it or a case to it.
Yeah, I mean you can. I don't know. Generally people use TM till the time it has got a grant for registration. If somebody is using it and you catch it, you can just report it. Or you can just search. So go to Indian Patent and Trademark Office website, search the term, and you could actually check the the status, legal status of that trademark yourself. So it's free for everybody to search. So if you go to Signicent, go and search Signicent, you will see it is registered. If I'm using it anyhow, that's like saying कि I'm 18 plus when you're 16 and going to bar for taking a beer. कर सकते हो, पर पकड़े जाओगे तो फिर समझ लो क्या होगा.
Because they are going to be entrepreneurs.
Yeah, so it's not.
The question is, this is renewable year after year.
Yeah, you can.
So one question, Harith, from HR point of view, you have a team strength of around 200 people now.
80
people.
We have employed 200.
So
80 are currently with us. Rest kept leaving in the last 10 years.
So last 9 years, which were those particular years in which you hired maximum number of people? And along with that, what is the most important you can say strategy for your particular company in order to retain people with you?
Okay, very, very, very good question. I'll take the first question, but that's an easy one. The first if I have to take that question factually, where do you hire the most? It's mostly operations. But where do you hire first is sales. Sales is the engine of the company. if you think you are very good in technology, if you are very good in product development, doesn't matter. A good product lying on the table, unless it is not reaching market, is of no use. Trust me, guys, that's a real world thing. You could be good in setting up whatever things you can. If you cannot sell it, it's as good as nothing. That's a brutal truth. That's why probably salespeople are paid the highest in the industry, because they know how to sell it. Always, almost always. So most is operations, because once you're getting this projects or orders or whatever, then you need operation people to meet those orders. So most is that. First is sales. The second part of this question is, how do you retain people? If you have money, you can do that. That's the first thing I would say. It's very easiest answer. But if you're doing a startup, and if you do not have money, like I never had it in the first 3-4 years, the way you retain people is by showing them the vision and giving them ample respect, and then paying a decent amount. I won't say the highest amount, but the decent amount. That's a combination of 3 things that you could do. Practical answer बता रहा हूँ. लोगों की गलतियाँ माफ करो, respect दो, and you can do it. You could retain people. और उनको vision दिखाओ, growth दिखाओ, and people have stayed. Any other questions?
Anyone online? Do you have any questions? No, not yet.
So
Yes, please.
My question be that, since you faced so many challenges and, situations, what was the main thing that was your driving force that kept you going in,
Driving force when? When I lost my job, when I started.
Like all of these, after facing all of these situations,
I think that, people will say a very fancy answer ki yaar, courage, strength and all. Generally, for me at least, the answers were different in different part of my life. When I lost my jobs, it was that I'll get a job anyhow because I have a decent education background. That was the courage that first time. When I lost the partnership from my first company that I started off with other partners, the courage was, I've learned enough. Probably this was, for some good reason that is happening in my life. Steve Jobs has a very famous saying that if you now look backwards and start connecting the dots, there was a reason that these things happen in your life. And I believe in it, because sales ना सीखता अगर मेरा पहला layoff ना होता, वो लोग मुझे ना बुलाते मेरी पार्टनरशिप कंपनी के लिए अगर मैं वहाँ सेल्स जॉब में हाँ ना बोलता. So I learned sales, I learned operations, and I got laid off. But this was complete tools that I wanted to learn for setting up my own thing. So that's how I took it. Just stay and hang in there. बुरा हो गया कुछ तो उसमें से अच्छा निकालोगे. So patience रखो, and keep doing things. Okay. Anything else? All right. Thank you so much.
So I think it was not only inspiring, but I would just like to put it in a line that I'm connected with him on LinkedIn, and I used to see his updates and posts every other day, and I used to feel that okay, he's into this industry, he's leading this firm, but today, getting to know you in person, it feels like wow, that I'm connected to such a person professionally. So in future, if I need a job, I hope you'll keep me.
He's the right person.
But thank you so much for all the things that you have shared along with your own story, because I think all these people who are sitting here as well as online, it's just going to inspire them to do and follow their own passion, even if they ever get a failure in their life. So every such story is a milestone, and every such story is an inspiration. So I hope that all of you take a lot of things back home. So thank you so much for it, and I think we have a small token of thanks for you, and we will just present it to you.
Represent to be there, even the old students also, because we have one good photograph here and one there.
All right, okay, we'll. And the ones who joined online, just stay online. We need to do some photograph session as well, so do not leave till we tell you.
So one we have it there so that they'll have a feel that they are in between the offline.
Right.
Sure, please.
You can also join us, please. Thank you so much. So we want to have some group photograph here.
One group photograph here and one we'll have it there.
Alright, so you all can please join here.